Tri-Quatre Piano, Level 1, Fluency Skills. This is metronome work. This piece uses the adjacent notes of C, D, E, F and G. Some of them are repeated and some of them not, so make sure you practice the piece first before using the metronome. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you can play it, turn your metronome on. You can download a metronome app off Play Store or the App Store and set it at the starting speed of 60 beats per minute. When you're ready, then try and keep with the tick, anticipating where the note will fall. 3, 4. And you can increase the speed by 5 each time you can play it. Knock it up by 5 until you get to around 80 beats per minute. Thank you for joining me. For more details, please see the description below.